From the moment we're born, a biological clock starts counting down. Every tick marks the passage of time, leading to aging. Our skin loses its springiness, our bones become more fragile. What if we could slow down this clock? Modern science is showing that the secret to a healthier life might be found in our cells. At the heart of this scientific search is a molecule called NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Don't let the complicated names scare you. Think of NAD+ like a vital spark plug for our cells. This important helper molecule plays a key role in many body processes like making energy, fixing DNA, and cells talking to each other. As we get older though, NAD+ levels slowly go down like a battery that's slowly losing its charge. This drop is thought to be a big reason for the aging process, leading to less cell activity and a higher chance of getting age-related sicknesses. Imagine our cells as busy cities with NAD+ acting as the electricity that keeps everything running smoothly. As NAD+ levels drop, the lights start to flicker, the transport system breaks down, and the city's overall energy goes down. My interest in aging started in my grandma's garden. Watching her energy fade sparked something in me. This passion led me on a journey deep into the world of cell biology. I found the amazing molecule NAD+. Countless hours were spent in the lab. The possible good things about NAD+ kept me going. Part 4. Science Speaks. NAD+ and the Fountain of Youth. The scientific community has really noticed the amazing potential of NAD+. Many studies have shown the good things about boosting NAD+ levels in lab animals, with promising results in making different parts of health and lifespan better. For example, research has shown that raising NAD+ levels can make mitochondria work better, which are the powerhouses of our cells, leading to more energy and less tiredness. Other studies have found that NAD+ can turn on sirtuins, a group of proteins linked to living longer and preventing age-related diseases. While human studies are still happening, the early findings are hopeful. Clinical trials are looking into what NAD+ boosters can do to help with age-related conditions, like problems with metabolism, heart and blood vessel diseases, and brain disorders that get worse over time. Part 5. A future lit up by NAD+. Imagine a future where age is no longer a barrier to a lively, full life. A future where we can keep our sharp minds, our body's energy, and our overall well-being well into old age. This is the promise that NAD+ holds. By using the power of this amazing molecule, we have the chance to completely change healthcare and how we think about aging. It's not about living forever, but about making our healthy years longer, free from the burdens of age-related sicknesses. The effects are huge. Imagine a world where older people stay active parts of society, where long-term illnesses become less common, and where the golden years are truly golden. Part 6. Taking hold of the power of NAD+. The scientific community is uncovering what NAD+ can do. We can boost our NAD+ levels and get the good things from it. Regular exercise naturally raises NAD+ levels. A healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps make NAD+. Supplements that boost NAD+ are available. Talk to a doctor before adding new supplements. NAD+ is leading us into a new time of health and well-being.